This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. This beautifully maintained condo is located near town center and features an open floor plan, 2 master suites, new carpet, and paint throughout, a wood-burning fireplace, all appliances and well-manicured outdoor spaces. Come enjoy this life of a condo owner. Weekends free to explore all that VA Beach has to offer. Williamsburg is less than a 45-minute drive. Near town center, walking trails, community pool, pet-friendly, convenient to military bases, shipyards, shopping, restaurants, Mount Trashmore, the beachfront, and I-64 access to everywhere in Hampton roads. There's nothing to do but buy, close, and move in. For more information,